Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today we're taking a deep dive into the world of identity protection services with OmniWatch, a young yet comprehensive solution for your privacy worries. Launched in 2023, OmniWatch is committed to not only protecting you from identity theft threats, but also resolving even the most pervasive ones. Let's take a look at the promising service, touching on its setup, pricing, and features. Make sure to check out our written review at bestreviews.net for a more in-depth look at the platform. Now, without further ado, let's pass it over to Saskia, who will break down OmniWatch for us.
Right from the get-go, OmniWatch is incredibly easy to use. It's all online, meaning there are no desktop apps, browser extensions, or mobile versions. The attractive website has a thoughtful accessibility toolkit for those with specific visual requirements. Plus, setting up OmniWatch is a breeze. Users just need to pick one of two plans and share some basic info, and they're good to start navigating the platform. Once in the OmniWatch account, the dashboard spills the beans on how much of your data is compromised with an identity threat score. Plus, it provides the lowdown on the latest data breaches in real time. Following an identity theft incident, users can start a restoration process by providing OmniWatch with a simple identity check through TransUnion. You need to present documents like your driver's license, passport, or social security number, unless you already did that during your registration. OmniWatch notifies users about current data breaches via emails or texts or on a ticker on the main dashboard. This service scours the dark web for over 130 data types, which go from your search history to your health and marital status. With the Identity Risk Score meter, OmniWatch rates your level of data exposure from 1 to 10, helping you figure out how to lower your risk. Unfortunately, unlike veteran industry players, OmniWatch is limited to dark web monitoring. It doesn't cover areas like financial activity, USPS monitoring, or social media accounts. If credit monitoring is what you're seeking, then OmniWatch's Credit Lock Plus will surely change your life. It can freeze your TransUnion credit file in case of a threat and monitor your Equifax and Experian accounts. The company provides a full credit report from all three bureaus every 90 days with its top plan. However, OmniWatch's privacy policy isn't the fairest, as it discloses that users' info may be shared for targeted ads. This is a bit unsettling, given the nature of the service the company provides. Still, OmniWatch's range of recovery support for identity theft issues is extensive. The restoration process is quick, always accessible, and handled by a US-based team of specialists who will contact your banks and handle all the extensive paperwork. With up to $2 million in insurance and $25,000 for ransomware protection, this company covers everything from legal fees to travel costs. But if you're after family-wide protection, you might want to look for other solutions, as OmniWatch offers one user-only plans with no specialized options for kids or seniors. If you're looking for the essentials, the basic plan is available for $9.99 a month. It offers dark web monitoring, TransUnion credit reports, and access to round-the-clock US-based identity restoration experts. However, for only a few dollars more, you can get the full scope of identity protection features with the premium plan. It expands on the previous package with reports from all three bureaus and an extra $25,000 for ransomware coverage. Keep in mind that the service doesn't currently offer refunds or a way to get a discount through, for example, longer billing cycles. However, we recommend you stay updated on future OmniWatch discounts and coupons by checking our full review at bestreviews.net. OmniWatch's customer support is reachable through email, phone, chat, or the embedded online form on its dashboard. The US-based team is on standby on workdays from 7 a.m. to 4 p.m. Pacific time. However, for users experiencing identity fraud, OmniWatch's life-saving restoration support is available 24/7. If you're seeking readable material on the platform, you can check out OmniWatch's support hub, blog, and FAQ pages. These cover a few identity theft scenarios and handle the basic questions, but are, unfortunately, too superficial and lack information about the intricacies of the service.
Thanks, Saskia. So, OmniWatch is a modern solution for the age-old problem of identity theft. Its identity restoration features are the crown jewel of the whole service. With a massive $2 million insurance policy and $25,000 for ransomware to back you up, no cybercriminal can scare you. Even though OmniWatch is limited to dark web monitoring, its identity score rank is excellent for understanding how much of a threat you might be dealing with. However, if a family member is interested, they'll have to create their own subscription as all plans are individual. At the end of the day, OmniWatch is your go-to solution if you want a highly safe and straightforward way to shield your identity from con artists and data thieves. While some aspects could use improvement, this young service is clearly on the right track. Feel free to check out our extensive review at bestreviews.net. See you next time.
Thanks for watching our video review. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up and leave us a comment down below if you have any questions. For more reviews and other videos, be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel so you'll be notified of future videos. See you next time!